Welcome to this tutorial on how to see dividends using Thinkorswim. In this video, we will walk you through the steps to access dividend information for your investments. Dividends can be an important factor in your investment strategy, especially if you are looking for income-generating stocks. Let's get started. First, open the Thinkorswim platform and log into your account. Once you are in the main interface, navigate to the MarketWatch tab located at the top of the screen. Click on it to expand the options. Here, you will find a sub-tab called Quotes. Click on Quotes to bring up the stock watch list where you can monitor various stocks and their performance. Next, to view dividends, you can either enter a specific stock symbol in the symbol box or find the stock from your watch list. Once you have selected the stock, right-click on the symbol and select Fundamentals from the drop-down menu. This will open up a new window displaying important information about the stock, including its dividend yield, the annual dividend payment, and the next dividend date. Lastly, if you want to make the information more accessible, consider adding the dividend data to your custom columns within your watch list. Right-click on the header of your watch list and select Customize. In the Customization menu, you can search for dividend-related metrics such as dividend yield or annual dividend and add them to your columns. This will allow you to keep track of dividend information for all the stocks in your portfolio easily. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.